Hey guys, welcome back. Today we'll be testing our sparklers.
Wait, how are we gonna get rid of them?
In the dark, because sparklers, you know.
Do you just drop it on the path to get rid of it?
Yeah, when it's
We're just gonna
Ted, come stand over here.
make sparklers. Just gonna light our sparklers. Ted, stand back away from me. We're gonna light in sparklers. Let's find out if it works. Oh, not working, huh? Come on, light up, you idiot. Come on.
Is that a battery?
How am I supposed to do it? Okay, that's wait. Sounds happening.
Is it though? Try getting a light.
It's not blue, working.
Pass it to me.
It's not working, guys. Hopefully this. Aha!
Oh my god!
It worked. I got my sparkler here. Everyone, feel free to take a look. We're just walking around with it. Pretty cool, to be honest. Love sparklers. Gotta respect them. Yeah, we were doing some fireworks too, but this is just wow. Look at it. That looks fabulous. Fabulous. What if I put it on the grass? No, let's not do that. Ah, look at this, guys. Look at it. Look at this amazing thing here, guys. This is a fantastic piece of nature that you gotta respect. Look at those guys doing it. That this is way better. And it's out. That's the end of it. Thank you. Goodbye.